Okay, I'm going to walk us through how to link your quarter 3 homepage as you are importing your content from quarter 3 into the same shell of your quarter 2. It's important that we make sure that we have the correct homepage. So when you come into your dashboard, that'll be your first initial login. You're going to have to do this for every course that you have. It's super simple. It's just a couple clicks, so I just want to make sure that you have the right information. So as you find the correct course, you're going to click the course, and then you would have a landing page. You would see both of your contents that are being uploaded together. It's important then we go to our left-hand page, our left-hand toolbox, find your pages. You're going to select View All Pages and refer to the instructions or those step-by-step instructions that we sent that would designate PE, Art, and Music's landing page for the correct content. So first grade, second grade, third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade, all of those might be designated as a separate landing page. So as you notice right now, it says that this is my front page. What I need to do is I need to change that. I'm going to go over to the 3 dots on my right-hand side to the correct topic landing page. Go down and it says use as front page. I'm going to designate that. There's no need to save because it'll automatically save. I'm going to click this home button right now on the left-hand toolbar to ensure that the correct page has been designated. And right now it looks like it went back to my module page. So if this happens, you might have to go through the other way, which is choose home page. And it says course modules right here. So I don't want my course modules to be my designated homepage where our students go to. I want it to be the front page, which says it right here. I'm going to click Save. Voila, it is finished.